Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 must-try ginger shots recipes that'll give you a refreshing boost and keep you energized throughout the day. Whether you're looking for a quick pick-me-up or a nutritious addition to your diet, these recipes have got you covered. These recipes are simple, nutritious, and packed with benefits. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, aiding digestion and boosting immunity. So let's dive right in. Get your juicers ready and let's start with our first recipe. First up, we have the classic plain ginger shot. This one is a staple for any ginger lover. This one is as simple as it gets. Just take a chunk of fresh ginger, peel it, and juice it. The pure, unadulterated flavor of ginger is invigorating. You can add a touch of honey for sweetness if you like. Honey not only adds sweetness but also brings its own health benefits. This shot is great for a quick pick-me-up and to kickstart your metabolism. It's perfect for those mornings when you need an extra boost. Next, we've got the ginger carrot lemon courgetti cinnamon cayenne pepper shot. This one is a bit more complex but totally worth it. Quite a mouthful, right? But don't let the long name intimidate you. But trust me, it's worth it. The combination of these ingredients creates a powerful shot. Juice some fresh ginger, carrots, and lemon. These 3 ingredients form the base of the shot. Then, add a dash of courgetti, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Each ingredient adds its own unique flavor and health benefits. This shot is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants, perfect for an immunity boost. It's like a mini health elixir in a glass. Moving on, let's try the ginger and spinach shot. This one's perfect for your green juice lovers. If you enjoy green smoothies, you'll love this shot. Blend fresh ginger with a handful of spinach and a splash of water. The spinach adds a nice earthy flavor and loads of nutrients. You can strain it if you prefer a smoother texture. Straining helps remove the fibrous parts for a cleaner shot. This shot is loaded with nutrients and is great for detoxifying your body. It's a fantastic way to start your day on a healthy note. Our 4th recipe is the ginger apple juice shot. This one's a bit sweeter and super refreshing. If you have a sweet tooth, this shot is for you. Juice some fresh ginger and apples together. The apple adds a natural sweetness that complements the ginger. The sweetness of the apple balances out the spiciness of the ginger perfectly. It's a harmonious blend of flavors. It's a great way to add some variety to your ginger shots. Plus, it's a hit with kids too. Last but not least, we have the carrot ginger juice shot. This one's a classic combination. Carrots and ginger are a match made in heaven. Simply juice fresh ginger and carrots together. The result is a vibrant orange shot that's as tasty as it is healthy. It's loaded with beta-carotene and is great for your skin and eyes. It's a delicious way to get your daily dose of vitamins. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible ginger shot recipes to try. 5 must-try ginger shots recipes that are sure to give you a refreshing boost. Each one offers unique flavors and health benefits. Try them out and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and suggestions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips and recipes. Your support means the world to me. Stay healthy and energized. Remember, a little ginger goes a long way in keeping you fit and active. Catch you in the next video. Cheers. Until then, keep juicing and stay vibrant.